Hi everyone, this is Rebecca, DTI Academy Manager at Digital Thinker. Today we are going to learn about receiving services in Hexagon EAM. When it comes to asset management, sometimes we need to hire outside services to perform maintenance activities. We can capture this in EAM by creating service POs. But how do you record service receipts in EAM? There are two options. On the work order screen, Book Vendor Hours tab, or the Book PO Labor screen. Currently, I'm viewing a work order for an engine repair. The work order has two activities, one for hours from service and one for fixed price. At this point in the process, let's say the contractor has already performed the service and you may have already received an invoice from the supplier. To receive services on the work order, navigate to the Book Vendor Hours tab. You'll want to enter or select the PO line. First, we're going to receive the hours from service. For hours from service, you must enter the date worked as well as the hours worked. If the contractor was on site for 2 hours, you're going to go ahead and enter 2, then click Save. Another option is to receive services on the Book PO Labor screen. This screen is available under the Work menu, Process, Book PO Labor. Start by entering the purchase order number. Then you can either click the Actions drop-down, Retrieve PO Service Lines, or enter the PO line details individually. In this example, we're going to receive services against purchase order line 20. This PO line is for a fixed price. So while we still need to enter the date worked, rather than entering in the hours worked, you'll want to enter and confirm the received amount. Then click Save. This will add the line details to the list above. To proceed with recording these service receipts, you can either click the Book Labor button in the bottom right corner of the screen, or click Save along the navigation toolbar. Regardless of where you record the receipts in EAM, the PO lines will update accordingly. Since both of the lines on our PO have been received, then our purchase order is now fully received. Recording these services in EAM helps provide a more accurate representation of costs associated with maintenance activities. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.